In this video we will start learning Linux commands. First we need to know what are commands. A command is an instruction given to our computer by us to do whatever we want. In Mac OS and Linux it is called terminal, whereas in Windows it is called command prompt. Commands are always case sensitive. Commands are executed by typing in at the command line followed by pressing enter key. This command further passes to the shell which reads the command and execute it. Shell is a method for the user to interact with the system. Default shell in Linux is called bash, Bourne-Again Shell. There are two types of shell commands. Built-in shell commands, they are part of a shell. Each shell has some built-in commands. External Linux commands, each external command is a separate executable program written in C or other programming languages. In the next video, we will learn Linux's basic directory commands. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you like it and subscribe this channel for upcoming future videos and comment your queries we will answer shortly.